In this Toyota Camry video, we show you how to go from radar to camera quickly and accurately, performing both calibrations in a time frame that allows you to actually generate profit. Better planning often beats working harder.
Camry. The vehicle had the front bumper removed and reinstalled, fender, headlight, and needs a front radar calibration. We are going to perform a camera calibration in tandem with the 7-step box to show you how you can do both of them in one shot with ease, accuracy, and speed. So now we've taken some time to read that information and put together a plan utilizing 7-step ADAS methods and the 7-step box on how to quickly and accurately perform these two calibrations in one sequence. I'm going to get started by checking tire pressure. I'm going to move in one seamless motion. When I am done, we will recap what I did, why I did it, and how I did it.